Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Around the House with Cheryl, and I'm Cheryl. Today I'm sharing with you an easy Dollar Tree Valentine DIY. I picked up these little wooden ornament set. They had 8 in the set, and I'm going to be making a banner with these. And I'm going to use various materials, which I will show you in a second. And if you're new here, welcome. And if you've been here before, thanks so much for stopping back by. Appreciate it. And before we get started, I would appreciate it if you would go ahead and subscribe if you like this kind of content. And don't forget to hit the bell, double tap the bell so you don't miss out. So here I'm using some gesso, Liquitex basic acrylic gesso. It's not good coverage on wood. I was kind of disappointed. It's not the same gesso that I'm used to using, so I'm not sure what happened. But anyway, this is some also gesso that I'm going to be using. This is a black gesso. It's acrylic. It helps. You know, you put it on the material that you're going to be using so that when you do paint it, it will adhere better. And here I'm also using this Waverly chalk paint in white, and then this red color in the Waverly chalk paint. Not sure the color, couldn't find it, but anyway, I'm going to be using that as well. And I also bought this, I believe I got this from Walmart. This is the what do you call it, a glitter type paint, and it's really thick, so we'll see how that works. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to start out painting the first few ornaments black. So let's get that done. Okay, and this gesso paint has gotten really thick, so I'm going to use this little plate because, yeah, if you watched my craft video, I showed you what I used to put my paint in when I'm crafting. Well, I was too lazy to go out there and get it. I use old pie tins. So, it's too lazy to go to my craft room / it's not a room, it's more like I've been banned to the garage. That's where I keep all my supplies. You see, Mr. Teddy? Okay. So we're going to paint, I think I've ended up painting 3. I'm going to paint 3 black and maybe 3 white, and we'll see what we're going to do with the middle. So keep watching. I hope everybody is doing okay and being safe and spending time with each other. Okay, let's get these last few ornaments painted, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to embellish them a little bit. You know, I'm not going to just leave them plain black or white. And I'm still trying to get these 3 black ones painted. Getting there. I enjoy painting on things, and if you like, I like getting these little wooden pieces. So you notice a lot of my crafts that I've done lately usually involve some piece of wood that I pick up from Dollar Tree. And sometimes I just come up with crafts with things that I have around the house. That's why it's called Around the House with Cheryl, because you never know what I'm going to be doing. I hope you stick with me. I have another Valentine craft coming up. I should be posting that shortly, and I will put a picture of it in my community tab so you can check it out to see when it's available to watch. And also check me out over on Instagram. I sometimes post pictures of some of my crafting. So I think this is about it. I ended up painting the backs too, just to finish them off. This might be a giveaway. Right now I got it in my kitchen, in my window as a banner, which I will show you how everything turned out at the end. Okay, this one is pretty much done. I'm going to set it to the side to let it dry. Use this little water thing. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use gesso to paint on these plain ones, to put the white on. And as you can see, I just demonstrated how the gesso is kind of like being sucked up by the wood. I didn't care for that. I don't think this is, I don't know. This is not like the gesso that I've had before, so I'm not sure what's wrong with this. But we're going to get this all painted on. So you see, it's just being sucked up, sucked up, sucked up. So anyway, I got it all painted. They're sitting over there drying. So now you know me. I got to put some dots on here. So I'm going to use the white, I believe I used the white chalk paint or the gesso. I didn't go out and get white paint out of my craft area, but I'm going to put these dots on here. And I think it made a big difference on how the hearts turned out. So I love putting these dots on and then looking at the Okay, now I am painting. I decided to paint 2 of the hearts with some red paint. I think it's called Santa Red. But this right here is the, I did put the white gesso on first. This is the red chalk paint. And I didn't like how that turned out either. So I did put on 2 coats to see how it would turn out. I had to put something else on it after I finished putting on these 2 coats to make it look different. So we're going to get all this paint on here. And then I'm going to show you, if you keep watching, what I ended up doing. It just took a little longer than I thought. It's easy. Yeah, I didn't like that either, guys. I took that off. I thought I could put some red dots on there, but that didn't work out. Let's do a bit white on the back. Just to Cover it up. After I put the white gesso on the white ones, I put the white chalk paint on top. It did okay. And then here you see I used, on the white ones, I did the opposite. I put black dots. I thought it turned out pretty good. I kind of like the black and the white better than the white and the black. Okay, so we're getting all this on here. And after, that's how it looks. See? I thought that was cute. And then I got 2 red ones. So like I said, it was a total of 8 in the package. So I did 3 white and 3 black and 2 red. Now the red ones look drab. So I decided to try out this glitter paint that I talked about. This is Folk Art. It's really thick, guys. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be that thick. It probably been setting up on the shelf for a while. But anyway, let me know if you've tried this before and if it's supposed to be that thick. So I put it on the red ones, as you can see. And this is the chalk paint. I could not find the color on the bottle. So if I find out what it is, I will let you know later. But anyway, that's the 2 chalk paints I used. I think next time I'll just go with the straight acrylic and use the chalk paint on something else. I don't think it's good on this. Okay, so you can see the glitter. It came out really pretty, I think. And so now I have these little strings that you can see that came with the ornaments. I'm going to put them on, but I still got 2 more white ones to finish painting, and then we'll get it together. Okay, so I'm putting the last dots on here. I've been practicing, as I said, with dots. I kind of like dots. I don't know why. But I'm going to try some other type of art with dots, and I'll let you know how that turns out. Okay, we're getting all these dots on here. Ooh, that was quick. Don't you wish you could paint this quick? Oh, looks so fun on fast speed, guys. So we got all the dots on here. Now I had decided to get out, I wasn't sure what I was going to do with this other than at the beginning, but like I said, I decided to make a banner. So I got out some twine that I had already had from the Dollar Tree, and I went, I don't measure anything, so I went every few inches or so and tied each ornament to the jute string and put a bow on it. And I think it's pretty much close. As I did hang it up, I realized there's one that's a little off that I may fix. But like I said, I don't like measuring anything, so it is going to be the way that it is. Okay. The string is a little short, so it's a little hard to tie these bows. So I decided to put the 2 reds. How did I do this? I can't remember. Okay, we'll see. Keep watching. Okay, I think I ended up doing like black, red, white, black, red, white, something like that. We'll see at the end. Okay, we'll get this one tied on shortly here. And if you like to see something different as far as craft, I had requests that somebody wanted to see more DIYs from me. And I really like doing DIYs, but I had to stop and do some decluttering before I felt my brain would be ready for DIYs. I still got, I'm going to probably try to get to my linen/beauty closet to declutter that. so I can show you guys what that looks like. Okay. Alright, I think we are about done. I got everything, I think, tied up. And here we go. Here's my banner. I did white, black, red, white. Look in the red pretty. White, red, black, white, black. I think is how it turned out. And because my kitchen has like a black and a white and a gold theme, that's what I decided to go with instead of like the traditional red. So, I think it turned out really cute. I really like it. And if you like it, don't forget to give me a comment down below to tell me if you enjoyed this type of DIY. And I will be back with another one. I think. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to show how I make this next one. I may show you what it looks like and then go from there. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and like I said, if you do, please give me a thumbs up. I'm trying to get at least 10 thumbs up. Darn. Alright y'all, see y'all guys on the next one.